Saudi Arabia, a country known for its oil-rich economy, has been transforming itself from relying on fossil fuel into a world-class diversified economy by investing in key sectors such as education, tourism, healthcare, and manufacturing. 30 years ago, with an American-Saudi partnership, we led the HVAC industry by establishing the first York factory in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Our goal has been to lead our industry with high-quality products according to the best international standards, while increasing the manufacturing footprint of the country. With 27 nationalities in our workforce, we believe diversity is the driving force for broader innovation and increased creativity in the workplace. Since then, we produced equipment for some of the most iconic projects in the country and the region, ranging from small to mega projects, both inside and outside the kingdom, in key sectors such as education, hospitality, transportation, healthcare, and more. Due to our never-ending commitment to cater to the increasing demand for our products for local and export markets, we inaugurated a new 200,000 square meters York manufacturing complex in King Abdullah Economic City, York's largest manufacturing facility in the MENA region. Located in close proximity to King Abdullah Port, enables for faster import of raw materials and export to our finished products to Arabian Gulf, North Africa, South Asia, and beyond. With expanded production lines, the new factory manufactures more products than ever before, ranging from residential to commercial air conditioners. As the industry leader, we have a solemn responsibility to take an active role in accelerating the growth of local content, a major pillar of Vision 2030. Therefore, we have adopted an aggressive framework for engaging local talents and using local materials so that we design and produce high-quality products for Saudi and export markets. This is why we are pleased to be a member of the Made in Saudi program introduced by the government in 2021. A state-of-the-art research and development center has been established to develop the next generation of innovative products. In addition, an Intertech accredited testing lab has been created to ensure highest quality standards. We believe that training is the backbone for building future Saudi talents. Thus, we have developed an extensive set of programs with the objective of preparing young Saudi men and women for rewarding careers in the new economy. To ignite passion in learning and possibly a career in manufacturing industry, we made our factory available to the community and university students to have a first-hand exposure to the exciting world of engineering and technology. For the last 70 years, York has been a constant and reliable companion of the Saudi remarkable economic transformation, and we are proud to have taken part in all stages of this extraordinary journey. Our purpose has always been to create a future world that is more sustainable and to improve the quality of life for all by making innovative and environment-friendly solutions as the world continues to evolve and along with it customer needs. Our promise to our employees, customers, and society that we will always be a step ahead.